Hey all, Ashley here, back with another video today to share some Valentine's projects. These are some projects I've been making for the Secret Cupid swap, and I should, by now, by the time I post this video, my unboxing video should be up, and there should be all the information about the swap and everything there too. So I'll link all that down below, and this is the mail that I sent out to Cheryl. And so for the full unboxing of everything, you should go check out that video. But for now, I'm going to just share some of the things I haven't packed up already and some of the handmade things. So one thing is this little tag flip. And I used a mix and match of collections just like always. And I have this little rolled flower here on the left part. I used definitely a lot of pink, but I also did use lots of transparency and vellum and black and white. So yeah, this is a little shaker tag, and that was a mix of crepe paper and Jen Hadfield. And then I have this little transparent cage thing. You can see the little bird in the back. A little bird here sitting on some florals. Puppy sticker up here. And then yeah, some more heritage marigold Jen Hadfield. Like I said, kind of a mix and match here. Here as well, pink paisley. I don't know what this one is. That might be pink paisley too. And then Jen Hadfield. I really love this tag. It's like acetate tag with the bike popped up and the little gold house in the back and some florals. Little puffy camera popped up as well. Really loved how that one came out. And then this last one is a little shaker tag again with some glittery, sparkly enamel dots for her to use. And that's my little tag flip. And then I also made a little embroidery hoop. It's a little mini one, and I just love how it came out. It's so cute and little. I just love mini things. They just come out adorable. And yeah, I added a little trim here, a couple foam flowers, embellished a little bit, and then peeking out, you can see these little cat post-its. So cute. And then some little bow stickers. So part of the Secret Cupid swap, like there's a lot of suggested items. So one thing is tag flip. This is, I don't know. Oh, I'm just going to include this with something else. I just made that extra. But this one is a suggested item. So this is a Memory Decks card. And this is also using a cut file, Lori Whitlock from Silhouette Studio, heart cut file. And then I just like interwove these little twine bits through the little circles. And then, yeah, popped up, made it into a little shaker. This paper is Pink Fresh Studio. This is that pink paisley paper again. I love this floral paper so much. And I love, like, sometimes the crepe paper black and white florals are actually kind of, the white is not actually true white. So that's why I really like that floral paper. It's like a true white. And I made this cute little 3D mailbox. I've made this cut file before, but I made it for Christmas last time, and this time I also made it a little bit smaller again. And yeah, I just love how it came out. It came out so cute. I used marigold paper and some sweet storage and Hadfields. Yeah, just a bunch. And then I decorated the different sides here. Love this little llama. So cute. I had to add in some cute little animals. And then this is, this opens, so there's little tassels in here. Yeah, and I really love this cut file because it's super interactive. This part also comes out too. And yeah, so hopefully this gets to her in one piece. I will do my best to pack it up. Oh, actually I'm going to pack it up in a little cup. Keep Hope Alive. This is number 5. Everything's numbered. Yeah, so I'm going to pack it up in this little cup, so hopefully that will keep it in good condition. And then I made a little embellishment book. This is my like Sender's Choice item, and yeah, I love the colors in this. I love the soft pink paper from Stamp Market, I believe. And then this one is that pink paisley paper. I just love it. Pretty, with some gold popping out here, and then a little puffy frame, puffy phrase too. And then yeah, it ties shut. And inside, so I've got a couple of just like sequin pockets. So here's one, and this is my like one of my favorite all-time favorite sticker sheets ever. So cute, from Jen Hadfield, the Hey Hello sticker sheet. It has all these super cute little hedgehogs and like cute animals on it. It's just like adorable. So yeah, it's not a Valentine's collection like most of these collections are not, but it worked out really adorable. And then these little cute little cat rosettes. Take these ones out. But I popped up a bunch of stuff. And yeah, I love how those came out. And then here are some stamps that are, they've got like little beads inside and some tiny little sequins. And then some paper clip embellishments with the like Hobby Lobby puffy dimensional stickers. And the phrase stickers are Jen Hadfield, and I really love these. They're small and they still have like a little bit of dimension to them too though. These ones, I use them a lot throughout this. And then another sequins pocket. This is just some flag embellishments that I made vertical. And yeah, just did some hand stitching on them. Just for a little touch. And some vellum like ruffles. And then last but not least, I have a couple more rosettes here. These ones with the llama. And yeah, that is everything. So that's that guy. And then yeah, I did pack up everything super pink and use some Daiso packaging, and then just like regular packaging. And yeah, I got these little animals as my tags. Again, this is that Crepe paper collection. Sorry, I forget the name of it. But it's like, I only have one paper from that collection and I use it a bunch. I just love the one with all the animals on it. It was so cute. And then my little card. I'll show this real quick. Little card. And oh, a few more things. There's this little guy. This has got some, it's just like a 3 squared pocket letter, and it's got some tea in the back of each of them. And then some unembellished rosettes for her to decorate, and then a cute little bag, and there's some charms in here. So yeah, that's everything I am sending out, and I hope you guys like seeing what I've been working on. I hope you will like and subscribe, and check out the other videos I mentioned, and check out the other videos from the Secret Cupid swap, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.